I show you this period Royal Albert 1940s shape, could be into the 1950s on this design, and the China mark on the base. Pattern reference from the decorator's marks is 3250, 3250, and there's the black Royal Albert crown bone China mark England. An early, not fully stylised yet, montrose shaped teacup with scalloped rim, beautiful clean interior, tall, very beautifully gilded and decorated peak arched handle there on the side, and the green ground colour is very well conserved. Just a few little areas where it's just not taken fully, but in overall very good collector's condition. We do have this teacup and saucer as a duo set also available. This is a sole teacup that came our way without its saucer, which has probably got broken over the course of time, and makes a very good addition to somebody looking for a replacement to their set if they've got matching China marks. And Royal Albert were pretty good at marking these, but they can be sometimes a little difficult to read. I mean, that could be interpreted as 3259, couldn't it? But it is 3250, we know from the reference, and the better marked version that we have with its matching saucer. So, nice condition, Royal Albert, 1940s, 1950s. There was a series of china they produced in the 60s and 70s called, I think, the Regency or Crown Regent range, which were very similar, but the filigree decoration in the gilt and the stylised border design here on the upper 1/5 is very different when you actually closely look at that. But if you just do a straight image search on this, it does pull it up as those later version Royal Albert designs, which this isn't. So this is available as its single teacup, no saucer, from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll pop a link in the description taking you through to that website listing. Thanks for watching.